As you can see, this site works in all of these different countries, so you can do this no matter where you're coming from. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can get paid for absolutely free by just clicking on different ads. Anyone can do this from their laptop, desktop computer, or smartphone device. If you're interested, then stay tuned. Now, just before we start, let me give a quick shout out to Drumo. Drumo is an app where you can get paid by completing surveys and offers. They offer quick payouts through the likes of PayPal and various gift cards. They pay in cash, not points like so many other platforms. And you only need $1 made in order to be able to withdraw your earnings. So they offer a low threshold as well. If that's not enough, you will also be able to make money from the daily bonuses this app has to offer, and you can also refer people to make a few extra bucks here and there. This app is available for all devices. You can make money with it using your Android or iOS device, or alternatively, you can also do so through your laptop or desktop computer. I would highly recommend for all of you who want to make some money online to give Drumo a try, because I did so myself and was pleasantly surprised. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into this tutorial so I can show you everything. Alright guys, so today I want to show you 2 sites that you can use in order to make money by, simply put, clicking on ads. And the very first platform I will be going over is called heedyou.com. Now, the way this site works is as follows. If you are someone who wants advertisement and promotion, so say a business owner for example, you will go over to this platform and pay for them to advertise you, and they will then take a portion of that money and give it to the people who are clicking on the ads, which in this case will of course be us. We are here to make money after all, we're not here to get advertised. As such, you want to click on Earn right here. And when you do just that, you will see that not only has this website paid out over $100,000 to all of its members, but that they have also been around since 2012. And I've said this time and time again, but when a site has been around for years on end, then it is 100% guaranteed that it is a legit platform. Scam websites disappear relatively quickly, but legit platforms do not. And this is how we can see that HeedYou is a legit platform that will actually pay us, instead of trying to scam us. And I even did some research just to make sure, and as expected, I found out that HeedYou is a great site that people like a lot. With that said, if you're ever wondering how they will pay you, you can see that right here. They offer PayPal, Payeer, and Skrill, so they do offer more payment options than similar websites, which is a really nice addition to make sure you actually get paid. And just to the right of that, you can also see that you just need to make $1 before being able to withdraw your earnings, which is another awesome feature. Many similar websites ask for like $10 or even as much as $100 and more, which is not the case here. Anyhow, in order for you to start making money with this platform, you need an account. To create one, just scroll back up a bit and you want to click on the Join button located right over here. What happens from there is they will ask you to enter in some basic demographic information about yourself. You want to create a unique username, enter in your valid email address, create a password, enter in your full name, and just below that, they will ask you to choose your country. And now is the perfect time for me to show you what I also mentioned in that intro previously. As you can see, this works worldwide. This website is available in all of these different countries, so for those wondering, yes, it will work no matter where you live. Anyways, once you choose your country, you will need to enter in your birth date and then click this box to agree to their terms. And finally, to finish this process, you need to click on I'm not a robot and then on Continue near the bottom of the page. From there, you'll just need to go over to your Gmail account, open up a message from HeedYou, and click on this link in order to activate your account. Once you log in, this is how everything will look. As you can see here, you will have your earnings displayed here, which for the time being will be 0, but that will change soon enough. Now, here is all you need to do in order to make money clicking on ads. Click on Earn up here and then on View Ads just below. On the next page, just click right here, and HeedU will take you to another page where you will see a bunch of ads, and you will then get paid. And of course, you will just rinse and repeat from there in order to make money. And with that done, let me show you a second website I have for you, one that will also pay you in the same fashion. The site in question is called gptplanet.com. This site is a lot more popular than that previous one, as you can see up here. It has nearly 800,000 total members and has paid out over $1.5 million in total, which is once again a lot more than the previous platform. Now, the fact that it has so many members should already tell you guys that not only is this a legit website, but also a very good one. Otherwise, not even close to this many people would be signed up to it. With that being said, as you can see right here, this site works worldwide as well. So yes, it is worldwide available, just like that previous platform once again. And here, it also says that joining is free, which is not a surprise at all, of course. Right next to this, you can see that you can indeed make money by viewing ads, which is in the end what we want. We want to get paid by clicking on those ads, but it's worth noting that you can also make money, if you so wish that is, by referring people, which is definitely a good way to get paid in passive income, especially since you can earn up to 100% of what your referrals earn, as is seen below, which is simply put, awesome. As far as how you will be getting paid is concerned, GPT Planet offers many options. They have Skrill, Neteller, AirTM, Payeer, Perfect Money, and Bitcoin. So this site also offers cryptocurrency as a way of getting paid as well, albeit it is worth noting that unfortunately it doesn't seem to offer PayPal like that previous site. What it does have in common with the previous platform, however, is that you only need $1 in order to be able to withdraw your earnings, so no ridiculous amount of money is required if you want to cash out. Anyways, in order to be able to get paid in the first place, you want to create an account. And so you want to click on the register button in the upper right corner. From there, you'll just have to enter in the same data as was required on the previous site: your full name, username, password, date of birth, and your email address. Down here is where you'll be able to enter in your payment information, and when you fill in all this, just tick this box and click on Register to create your account. When you log in, this is how everything will look. And I do have to say that GPT Planet does look better in my opinion than HeedU, but they are still both awesome platforms nevertheless. In order to make money by viewing and clicking on those ads, just click on View Ads here, and then you will have to click on the ads displayed here to get paid. How many ads you will have depends on where you're from, but either way, you'll be able to make money by clicking on them, which is what this video was all about. Now, just before we conclude this video, I want to let you guys know that you should use both of these platforms. They are both good. Both will pay you through many different options. Both work worldwide, and using both of them in the end will allow you to earn far more money. And with that being said, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you are enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.